Hey guys, it's Crystal. I'm back from work, so I'm able to upload a video now. If you didn't catch my last video, I did mention I'm going to do a new series of videos of basically just showing you my daily projects that I'm doing while I'm kind of in quarantine. I do still go to work. I'm an essential employee, so I do have to go. Just got my hours cut, so I have a little bit more time on my hands now besides doing mom stuff. So I'm able to do some little projects here and there, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing on a daily basis in terms of projects. I'm not going to go into depth on the project I'm working on just because we're supposed to be at home. We're not supposed to be going out getting materials and stuff for projects. So maybe later on in the future I will have an in-depth tutorial on what I'm doing if needed. If you guys are interested, I will still list down the materials in the description down below on what I used. Basically, I'm using stuff that's here in my house that I already have laying around. So my first project that I tackled was redoing a clock that my husband had for many years. It basically fell off from right there. This is a new clock. So I took his old clock and I basically fixed it up for you, and here, if you want to see that, keep watching the video. I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, washing your hands. So this is my husband's old clock. As you can see, it's broken in the back and the actual paper was coming apart. So I unscrewed it, took the paper portion off and the glass portion off. But I kept the paper for a reference to cut, and I'm using cardboard just to make a new face for the clock. As you can see, I put a hole in the middle of the cardboard so that the hands can go through, and now I'm going to paint it. I'm using the Rust-Oleum chalk paint, and I believe it is white linen is the color, and I'm not completely painting the black white. I'm also mixing it in with some black and trying to get some like gray washing so it can look really rustic, almost like wood. I'm trying to make it look like wood planks. So I basically just took a pencil and drew lines to make it like wood, and then I just painted on the numbers. After everything was dried, I just took the hands of the clock and pushed it through the middle of the clock and then glued on the cardboard onto the actual clock. And then I just put the clock back together, put a battery in, and pretty much was done. I was contemplating whether or not to paint the rim a different color or leave it the original frame color. Let me know down below what your thoughts. Should I leave it as it is, or when I'm able to go out eventually and buy stuff, paint it a different color? So leave me your thoughts down below. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, if you want to see more little daily projects I'm doing, please hit the bell notification. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button for more videos coming up. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. Bye.